Morning, sir. My name is Mitali Mil, roll number 8286 from S5BBA Division D. Today I am going to explain a sum of financial management. Here we are given year and net cash flow, and we have to find payback period, net profit value at 10% discount, profitability index and at 10% discount, investment rate of return with the help of 10% discount and 15% discount factor. So we will try to understand payback period. Here net cash flow and cumulative cash flow. We can find CCF with the 7,000 plus 7,000, so 40,000 plus 7,000 21,000, 7,000 plus 21,000 28,000. So we can go till 35,000, and in the year sixth year we have 8,000. So 35,000 plus 8,000 is equal to 43,000. So we have 8,000 at the 12 month. So 5,000 on how much months or a year? So 5,000 divided by 8,000 is equal to 5 by 8 into year. So 7.5 months. Payback period is equal to 5 years and 7.5 months to recover 40,000 investment. And we will go through net profit value at 10% discount rate. So here cash flow, discount factor and profit value. To find the discount factor, here we have 10% of discount rate. So we will do 1 divided by 1.110. So we will get 0.0909. So to find for second year, we have to do 0.909 divided by 1.10. So we will get 826, and we will do rest of that the same. The profit, to get the profit value, we have to multiply 0.909 into 7,000 and the same. So we will get 48,961, and the net profit value is equal to profit value of cash inflow, profit value of investment. So 48,961 minus 40,000 is equal to plus 8,961. This project is investment is profitable because NPV is positive. And the third is profitability index at the 10% discount factor. Profitability index is equal to present value of cash inflow divided by total investment. So 48,961 is equal to divided by 40,000 is equal to 1.224 of. So the profitability index is 1.224. And the fourth is investment rate of return with the help of 10% discounting factor, and 15% discount is the factor. Here cash flow, discounting factor and PV. Here we have to find discount factor with the 15%. So we will do 1 divided by 1.15. So we got 0.870, and to find for another years, we have to do 0.870 divided by 1.15. So we got 756. The profitability value is equal to 7,000 into 0.870 is equal to 6090, and investment rate of return is equal to A plus C plus D divided by C plus D into B minus C. Here A is equal to 10% and C is equal to 8,961 rupees, which is more than 40,000 at the discounting rate of 10%. And C plus D is equal to, and C 8,961 minus 580 into 15% minus 10% is equal to 0.94 is into 5 is equal to 10 into 4.7. So IIR is equal to 4.7.